Welcome to the Kubescape Community Meeting. Today is October the 3rd, 2023. Today we have several Kubescape contributors. We have Vlad, Daniel, Gal, and we have one guest, Malik. Or Malik is your family name, maybe? Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Hi everyone, I'm new to the community and this is my first time here.
Hey, welcome. Nice to have you. Okay, so do you have something in particular to share in this meeting, or you're just coming to see what we do, or yeah?
Yes, I'm trying to get myself familiarized with the project and what is going on and how the development is taking place here. And I'm learning about Kubescape like step by step. I recently opened a VR and I'm learning the code base and to understand what's going on and how things are done. Like,
Okay, cool. So, well, mostly we do the interaction with the community on the Slack channel that you probably know. I didn't check your name in there if you wrote already. But yeah. And sometimes in this meeting we try to gather some of our users, share what they do, their experience, or if they have questions or issues, and we sometimes use this meeting to present some upcoming features, which is what I'm going to do in a short moment. Good. Thank you. Thank you for your message. Yeah. Excellent. Yes, this famous PR. I don't know if someone looked at it already.
yep, they did. I got some comments and I'm trying to understand how to like introduce the required changes and maybe what I fix this. So I'm growing.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Your voice sometimes is a bit like a cut. Maybe the network connection is not that good. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Vlad, do we want to go with this contribution and comment it, or I mean we can do like a guided walkthrough?
Okay, so first of all, I'm really somewhat out of context for this issue. Supporting
Because I saw you as a reviewer, but maybe you haven't looked at it.
I don't see myself as a reviewer. Is this the one like the support YAML as an output format?
Yes. Yeah, let me share my screen.
Okay, so first of all, I don't really see the use case for this and why we should have this. So I'll start off by that. But other than that, I see like this, there's a discussion. So again, anything I add here might be out of scope. So maybe you could like give me a brief overview, like why do we even want the YAML output? What does it give us?
I guess Craig listed one of the use cases on the issue itself, so I'll just share the issue link in the chat.
Ooh, I'm sorry, but I have to say I have a hard time understanding what you're saying because of the audio, like either quality or the network connection, but I literally can't tell apart what you're saying.
I think it all started when Craig created an issue that it would be nice to have a YAML format as output. And I think he advertised this good first issue on. I don't know if I can share my screen here. Yeah.
I see this, and okay, so my suggestion here would be to close this issue with the will not fix, because I really don't understand why you would like YAML output. We do have JSON, but like the YAML we would produce here does not really have anything. It's not supposed to be read by humans. It's more of our JSON formats are more for like machine exchanges. So I'm really having a hard time, and nobody consumes this YAML. Kubescape components only consume the JSON. We don't really take the YAML as any kind of input at the moment, and I'm not aware of the that we will. And yeah, so like, what's the use case Greg had for this?
Yeah, it's probably because it was documented somewhere and he expected it to work, and then he opened this issue. Yeah, maybe we need to check with him.
I
Yeah.
see. My concern here is that we will be just adding like a new piece of code we would have to support. Oh yeah, it's the PR, right? Because I have taken a look at the issue. So my concern here is that we would be adding essentially a new piece of code to support. For what reason, I don't know. And what value does it give? Again, to be determined. So unless we have a use case for this, like a valid use case for this, I don't think we should have this in the Kubescape code base.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what they have to do. What they have to say about it. Okay. Good. Thank you. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna comment on the PR and see what we do with the issue. Sorry about this.
Yeah, my bad.
Okay. So I was I wanted to speak about the little changes that we are doing to the README file in order to present the next milestone in Kubescape, which is like Kubescape 3. Do you see my screen? Yes. So what we intend to do is to update this small demo as a GIF to showcase the new output of Kubescape. And a few adjustments in the output itself to have like only the top 3 critical components every time we have the small here, the top 3. Before we used to have the top 5, and now top 3. So the PR is still in review. It's approved, but I don't know when David wants to merge it. And the goal is to have Kubescape 3, I think, out next month for the KubeCon in US. Yeah. So that's mainly what I had to do, what to say. I don't know if you guys had something else to say. Gal, maybe, or are you just watching?
Yeah, I just want to apologize again to the contributor who published the PR when we didn't really have a good consensus on whether we need the YAML output or not. I'm sorry for wasting your time. I know it can be quite frustrating when you could work on another issue. So yeah, sorry for that.
I think we're going to stop here. So the video of this meeting will be published on the YouTube account of Kubescape, and I I hope to see you on the CNCF Slack or next week at the same place. Next month at the same place. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.